The Beyond Complete Professional Teeth Whitening Kit with Tray Whitening Material is the most comprehensive single-patient whitening kit available, encompassing chairside and take-home for the most complete whitening experience. Our Beyond Whitening Kit offers everything you will need to perform teeth whitening, including a complete instruction manual, a Vita Shade guide, and a patient aftercare treatment guide. It also includes patient preparation materials, a face protection cloth, lip cream, and a cheek retractor. The 35% hydrogen peroxide whitening gel dual-barreled syringe and gingival barrier come with a few tips, including a suction tip for ease of application and use. The gel's proprietary formula improves oral health during whitening and contains special ingredients to reduce the risk of sensitivity while providing clinically proven results. In addition to these in-office whitening products, the complete kit has EVA impression tray material and 2 syringes of 6% hydrogen peroxide core white take-home gel to maintain the patient's shiny smile. A typical treatment is 3 consecutive cycles of 10 minutes each, combined with light acceleration. In conjunction with the Polis Advanced System, Dental Advisor awarded this kit the 2018 recipient of Best Whitening in Office.